Have you ever found yourself waking up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m.? Do you feel a quiet, mysterious presence, a gentle calling within you, a deep inner stillness that feels different from any other moment of the day? This is not a coincidence. Both science and spirituality agree. These early morning hours are sacred. They are the gateway to the quantum field, the realm of infinite intelligence, healing, and transformation. During this peaceful window, your brain naturally shifts into theta and delta frequencies, the same frequencies that mystics, monks, and yogis have accessed for centuries to awaken higher states of consciousness. This is the time when your subconscious mind is most open, most receptive, if you use this time wisely, to pray, to visualize, to affirm your dreams. You align yourself with limitless possibilities. So if you're awake right now, take it as a divine sign. You are being called to awaken your true potential. Now, let's begin. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your body relaxing, becoming lighter, softer, sinking deeper into this calm and peaceful moment. Again, inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand, and exhale, releasing all tension, all resistance. One more time, breathe in deeply, hold it for a moment, and as you exhale, imagine releasing all your fears, all doubts, and all negativity. You are now entering a pure, receptive state. Repeat these words silently or out loud and truly feel them in your heart. Divine intelligence, I open my heart to receive your wisdom. I surrender to the infinite intelligence that guides all things. I am one with the quantum field, limitless in my potential. As you breathe, feel this divine presence within you, around you, and flowing through you. I call upon the highest vibration of love and healing. I release all resistance, and I trust in the unfolding of my highest good. Everything I seek is already seeking me. Thank you for the abundance, health, and miracles flowing into my life now. I welcome them with gratitude and joy. And so it is. Now let's go even deeper. Visualize a golden light surrounding your entire body, a radiant, warm glow pulsing with energy and wisdom. This golden light represents your connection to the quantum field, a field of pure creation and divine intelligence. See this light expanding from your heart, filling every cell of your being, awakening your true potential. Feel your vibration rising higher and higher. You are now aligning with your highest self, the version of you who already has everything she desires. See yourself glowing with confidence, abundance, and pure joy. Visualize your dreams unfolding effortlessly. Your health, your relationships, your financial freedom, your spiritual growth. It is all already done. Breathe into this new reality. Know it, feel it, own it. And as you exhale, release all remaining fears and doubts. You are now operating from a place of faith, certainty, and divine alignment. Now go even deeper into surrender. Surrender does not mean giving up. It means trusting the higher intelligence of the universe. Say to yourself, I release all control and allow divine timing to unfold. I trust that the universe is always working in my favor. Every opportunity, every challenge is a lesson guiding me to my highest path. Breathe into this space of deep surrender. Feel the sweet relief of letting go. There is nothing to fear, only trust, only divine perfection unfolding in your life. Now, let these affirmations sink deeply into your heart. Breathe them in. Feel them in your soul. Let them become your truth. I am limitless. I am powerful. I am abundant. Everything I desire is already mine. My subconscious mind is now programmed for success and prosperity. Every cell of my body vibrates with divine intelligence. I attract miracles effortlessly. I am worthy of love, happiness, and unlimited abundance. I trust divine timing in all that I manifest. I co-create my reality with ease and grace. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. Every breath I take fills me with divine energy. Wealth flows to me effortlessly. My body is healing and regenerating with every moment. Love surrounds me and flows from me. I am deeply connected to my higher self. Opportunities appear before me with ease. My mind is calm, focused, and clear. I am aligned with the infinite abundance of the universe. I wake up each day filled with gratitude and purpose. I am worthy of receiving all that I desire. My dreams are manifesting right now. I radiate confidence and attract endless opportunities. My subconscious mind is wired for wealth and joy. I am deeply loved and divinely guided. Every cell in my body vibrates with health and vitality. My intuition is strong. I always make the right decisions. I attract loving, supportive relationships. The universe opens doors for me in miraculous ways. I am fearless in the pursuit of my dreams. My energy is magnetic, drawing abundance and joy into my life. I am grateful for all my blessings, big and small. Prosperity and success flow to me with ease. My thoughts create my reality, and I choose positivity. I am a limitless being, capable of achieving anything. The universe conspires in my favor at all times. I release all doubt and step into my true power. My heart is open to love, joy, and infinite possibilities. Every challenge I face helps me grow stronger and wiser. My dreams are becoming reality faster than I ever imagined. Wealth and success are my birthright. Happiness is my natural state, and I embrace it fully. My energy is aligned with love, prosperity, and divine purpose. I welcome new opportunities with an open heart. I am guided by wisdom, clarity, and intuition. Everything I need is already within me. I attract positive experiences every day. I release fear and embrace my divine path. My vibration is high, and I am in flow with the universe. I am open to receiving blessings beyond my wildest dreams. My future is bright, abundant, and filled with infinite possibilities. Each time you repeat these affirmations, you are rewiring your brain, strengthening new pathways that support your highest vision. This is how you transform your reality. As we come to the end of this practice, remember what you think, feel, and believe during these sacred early hours shapes your entire future. These hours are your moment of power, the time to manifest, to heal, to transform. So when you wake between 3 and 5 a.m., don't waste it scrolling through distractions. Use it to realign with your truth, to reprogram your mind with divine power, to create the life you desire. Say this prayer, feel it, embody it. Let it become your reality, and watch your life shift in ways you never imagined possible. If you felt energy rising within you during this meditation, trust it. That is transformation taking root. Remember, the universe always responds to your frequency. So choose to vibrate higher. Choose to believe in your infinite potential. Choose to step into the reality that has always been yours. Thank you for joining me in this sacred practice. Your future is limitless. Now go and claim it.